Big problem. All right, let's talk about our weather, and summer seems to be back in November.
Yeah, it is. Thunderstorms taking place now on the sea breeze front. Temperatures today, upper 80s to near 90. August. Here we are in November. No, it's not. We are looking at nice weather on the beaches. The sea breeze is well inland, so we don't anticipate any kind of rainfall there. We had the sun set already, obviously, but a gorgeous one it was, and some crepuscular rays there on the right side of your screen. And Norm, got a shot of those looking out over Sarasota Bay. There they are. What it is the sun actually goes below the horizon. There may be a storm off in the Gulf, and that casts the shadow on these clouds that you see right there, or at least the sky, and causes those blue rays. And as far as the Titan radar picture goes, look at the snow in Kansas City, also into Missouri, and that is some colder air that'll start to settle our way on the weekend. It's not going to be a cold snap. It'll be back down to more seasonal averages, or slightly above that, but nothing into the upper 80s. We'll see the low 80s for definite. The stationary front staying to our north now, and it looks as though that front will stay there and eventually fade away before the weak cold front moves through on Saturday morning. Right now, some heavier showers along that frontal boundary to our north today from Jacksonville southward down to near Gainesville. But as I mentioned, we do have some afternoon showers and some thunderstorms. This is a typical setup in summer. We have the sea breeze develop. We had the southeasterly wind flow around the area of high pressure. The two met and really started to bring some heavy rainfall near Northport, although that's starting to wind down. It's been there for over 45 minutes in some places, and you can see those lightning strikes now starting to generate to the north in this cell as the outflow boundary has generated some other showers and storms. So still raining near Northport, near US 41, and near West Price Boulevard. This rain will come to an end here in the next, I would say, half hour before it's all said and done. Still, this one's starting to build a little bit more so, and looks like that light rainfall will continue there in Northport for the next, as I said, half hour or so. Not much is going to make it to the coastline, as that sea breeze will kind of use everything up to the east of our area, at least the immediate coastline. 80 degrees right now, the Gulf water temperature. Temperatures all pretty much in the low 80s inland, upper 70s near the beaches. The weather headlines read like this: staying warm through Friday. Another day tomorrow, mid to upper 80s with a feels-like temperature, at least inland, near 90 degrees. And then a weak cold front moves through Saturday morning early, cools us down, dries us out a little bit. You'll notice the dew point temperature coming down just a little bit, but the next front will be a stronger one, and it looks like it'll cool things down Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see high temperatures below average on those days. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, mid-80s for highs, partly cloudy skies, and just a slight chance for a late day shower. You can see that in the future cast, showing that southeasterly wind flow around that area of high pressure off the coast there. Here comes the cold front. By Friday evening, it'll be over the panhandle for us. Looks like moving through sometime in the morning, I would say right around sunrise, and a thin band of showers are possible, but not a lot of rainfall. That front settles just to the south of us and keeps us mild over the weekend. 79 right now, and northwest winds are at 6, and the barometer is falling slightly. Yes, that's me right there. That's nice, isn't it? Brian Wigglesworth made that. The ABC out there at Siesta Key, and we'll have a high of 88 degrees today. I'm honored. I'm a sand sculptor. 80 degrees for a normal high, so we'll be 8 degrees above that tomorrow again. So we were close to a record. 90 is the record, so 2 degrees off from a record high today. A GFS forecast model showing pretty good weekend ahead, and then we'll see some clouds and showers, as I said, next Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's when that colder air will start to settle down. So as far as the forecast goes, for boaters tomorrow, winds out of the southeast turning to the west. We'll have a light chop, seas running 2 feet or less really out there. And as far as the 7-day forecast goes, we are looking at basically a slight chance for showers over the next couple of days at 20%. The better chance Tuesday, and it's not all that great, but notice the cooler temperatures come Wednesday and Thursday, low to mid 70s. Lows will be into the mid 50s on Thursday, and looks good for the Crystal Classic on Siesta Key, which takes place tomorrow and goes through the weekend. Back to you.